Hello, this is Ashok Mishra, life mentor and motivational trainer. Today's topic is escalator. As I tell it in Hindi, स्वचालित सीढ़ी. Definitely, safety is of paramount importance when ascending and descending an escalator. By observing some key factors, you and the people around us can prevent the accident, either in the case of ascending or either in the case of descending. A single error could create a lot of problem in our health. Today just I am going to share my own experience because I was the victim of them. So many times we learn a lot of things by doing it or hearing it, observing it. So just I wish to share my own episode so that you can understand and be cautious in your life. On February 22nd, 2026, my father-in-law, I and my younger son arrived New Delhi Ajmeri Gate station to board in a train named Samshakti Express, which starts from there at around 12 night. We had a reservation in that train. To board the train, we took the escalator from the Ajmeri Gate side. We had barely ascended 4 or 5 steps. Suddenly, my father-in-law fell down to me. Definitely, I lost my balance, as well as my younger son also lost the balance. By grace of the God, my father-in-law escaped unhurt, but my son and I sustained the significant injuries. By the boundless grace of God, an alert individual pressed the button to halt the escalator, otherwise accident could happen more and more severe. Furthermore, by taking the first aid, I could complete our journey. After that, I visited the doctor for the consultation, and after a complete bed rest, at least for 15 days, I could be able to recover myself. Now my son is also okay. So what basic things we have to take care in your life when you use the accelerator? Always remain alert while boarding to the accelerator. As you step onto the accelerator, ensure that your feet land firmly and correctly on the step. Otherwise, you may lose the balance and accident may happen. Avoid rushing and running. Refrain from rushing and running while you are boarding at the accelerator. If the area is crowded, avoid pushing. Please wait over there. Be calm. Don't make haste because accident may happen. Better to hold the handrail. To maintain your balance, always keep a firm grip of the handle. Always stand upright. Stand steadily upright and balanced position. Do not lean to the sides or look over the edges. Ensure you stand within the yellow safety line so that accident may not happen and your balance will be perfect. Definitely avoid using your mobile phones while you are boarding in accelerator. Using the mobile phone significantly increases the risk of distraction. Therefore, refrain from all these activities from mobile while moving through the accelerator. Do not run, sit or play on the accelerator. Sitting, running, playing or making a joke, fooling around, it's a very dangerous sign. So please avoid all these things. Be cool and calm. Your journey for a minute will be okay. Always pay the close attention to the children or elderly. Keep children close to you and hold their hands firmly. Do not allow the small children to ride in the escalator alone. Provide your support to the elderly and the child always. Be cautious of loose or wet clothing. Women's saris, dupattas or loose garments can get caught in the machineries of the ladder. Therefore, keep them very securely. If men are wearing the dhoti and or a loose dresses, they should also keep it very serious. Wet clothing can increase the risk of slipping, so better you avoid. Ensure your footwear is worn correctly. Avoid wearing slippery, open-toed or wet footwear. Handle your luggage very safely. Hold heavy items cautiously and do not allow them to dangle downwards. Heavy or dangling objects can disrupt your balance. Therefore, hold them very securely. While ascending or descending, look straight ahead. No side look, no down look. If you see any fault in any accelerator, kindly don't allow yourself to move ahead. Always remain alert while you are reaching to the destination. As you reach the end, avoid running. Step out very calmly and exit yourself from the accelerator. If you don't do all these things, definitely accident may happen. And for any emergency, please press the emergency button. I hope that by understanding all the situation, what happened to me, as well as what caution we should take collectively we can lead the life very comfortably. Not only at the accelerator, it's a very useful thing to be attentive everywhere, every time. God bless you. Thank you very much.